Hello, here I have Samsung Galaxy S20 and let me show you how to check warranty on the following device. In the very beginning you need to check your email number, so let me show you how to do it by using a secret code. So let's start by pressing power key and unlock the screen. Let's open the phone the other and use the secret code *#06#. As you can see, here is our email number. So then you need to open email.info website and use this email number to the empty bracket, go for a captcha protection. And click on check. Now you can see all specifications about your Samsung Galaxy S20. Then if you want to check warranty, you should choose check serial number warranty carrier, click again at check and wait at 10 seconds while your order is processing. There you go. Here you can check warranty valid, estimated warranty end date and warranty time. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.